Right now, it's 6 federal court judges in the Charlotte area are taking an extra step in making sure whatever comes across the bench is legit.
So they issued an order now barring the use of artificial intelligence for federal legal filings. And as Queen City News anchor Derek Dellinger found out, this could impact state courts, too.
We have already heard of cases of ChatGPT and other AI-like programs being used for everything from work assignments to resumes and even work presentations. But what about legal filings? Well, that's something that has apparently already shown up, and federal district court judges here want to make sure it doesn't happen or show up in their courtrooms.
In law, accuracy is key, making sure you're citing the right laws, the right case, and having the right legalese to make your point. But thanks to AI, that task has been changing, and not always for the better.
Generative artificial intelligence caught us all by surprise. When that hit in a big way in 2023, I think there was a lot of a whoa factor.
Paul Grimm is a retired U.S. district judge and is currently a professor with Duke Law School.
What has happened is that in some instances in the past couple of years, lawyers have done that, but not gone back to verify the accuracy of either the legal material cited as authority or the underlying facts that were to be used, and they're called sometimes hallucinations. They're just made up.
Some of those cases have made headlines. One particular of note case involved former Trump lawyer Michael Cohen, who admitted to passing along bogus AI-generated cases to his own lawyers. But it has been showing up more and more, and federal judges for the Western District of North Carolina say they don't want to see any of it. In fact, last month, they filed an order which bars the use of ChatGPT and other AI-generated platforms from being used in federal legal filings. It will allow for law search engines to be used, but everything will have to have a certification that AI was not used and that every statement or citation in that filing has been checked. This goes for lawyers and anyone else filing briefs or memos with the court. If they don't, there are sanctions or the case could be thrown out.
You then have to check your work. You have to make sure the cases say what you said they say, and they're real cases, and that the facts that you cite are real facts.
Grimm says this is a preemptive nip in the bud locally, but he also says this is something that could eventually be seen on the state level. Some states have already banned use of ChatGPT for legal filings, something he believes North Carolina could eventually take up. Grimm says the central idea is to have those checks and balances, to have human verification, and at the end of the day, not cause a great deal of embarrassment or worse.
Some people have bypassed that check it. They've just said, oh, it came out of a computer, it must be right. And they've proven to be wrong to their peril.
The thing about this order, though, Grimm told us it may likely have to be updated. As we've been reporting with artificial intelligence, things have a tendency to change in 6 months on the AI front, and may likely be the case here as well. In Uptown, Derek Dellinger, Queen City News.